Okay, we're looking at special number from Codewars, a C++ exercise. Yes. Getting in here, a special number. A number is a special number if its digits only consist of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So only those digits in the number that constitutes a special number in this case. It's probably not a scientific definition, but whatever. It's a Codewars definition. The number passed in is going to be positive. And all single-digit numbers from 1 to 5 are considered special numbers. And this should actually be inclusive. So I'd assume 0 should be in there too. But anyway, whatever. I'm not going to attack the rules. So if you have a special number, you're going to return special. If it is not a special number, you return not. So 2 is, 9 is not, 2, 3 is, 3, 9 is not because of the inclusion of the 9. 5, 9 is not because of the inclusion of the 9. 5, 13 is special. 7, 0, 9 is not. So each digit has got to be 0 through 5. That is your guideline, or my guideline, as I start this right now. I don't know why I'm laughing, like halfway out of breath. I'm not as used to speaking today. Something's going on here. Whatever. Okay, so we take in an integer, and then we determine if it's special by are all of the digits 0 through 5. So, of course, we got to get the value of each digit. So to get the value of each digit, we can do a modulo to get the value of each digit, because for those of you who don't know, when you do a modulo 10 is going to give you the single digit in the ones place, and you can use that to isolate digits, where you do modulo 10, then divide by 10, because divide by 10 is going to take that number from the ones place and remove it from the number. So I'm going to take every single number, every single digit actually, in the number and see if it's 0 through 5. If it is not a special number. If all those numbers are 0 through 5, we got a special number, my friends. Special, special. Okay, so setting up the while loop, the condition is going to be while number is greater, if number is not equal to 0. Really what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this number down until it is 0. So then the loop will exit. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do number modulo 10, giving me the number in the ones place, and I'm going to say if that digit is greater than 5, we found that we do not have a special number. And there you go. That's what you do, and I don't know why I got the semicolon. That's what you do when you have a not a special number. But if we go forward, we want to take that number from the ones place and remove it from our, take the digit from the ones place and remove it from our number. And the division is going to do that, and actually got to do the, I thought I was in Python for a minute, and actually, yeah, I'm kind of flipping out between languages. I do need the semicolon because this is C++. Wow, I had a moment there. It's too much going in between languages. I actually thought I was in Python for a minute. Wow. Okay, so the division happens removing the next digit, and then it goes with a smaller set of digits each time through the loop. And if I get all the way through this loop and I do not return not, then we have a special number. Because if all of the digits are special, meaning they're 0 through 5, then we got our special number. And we will christen it special. There we go. I think that's it. Let us run it. Looks good there. Looks good there. Very, very good. Okay. Great, great. There's your solution to special number. Looks pretty, folks. Yes. So isolate the digits with modulo 10, and then remove each digit at the end with division by 10, and check each one to see if it's special. But I know one thing, you're special and I'm special too, and it's time for us to part ways as friends. So that's it. See y'all later.